Well, clearly what we need is a ban on congressional stock trading. Because if you simply disclose what is happening, you just are basically showing what the problem is without addressing that problem. And the end result is what you mentioned earlier, where there are people who are assuming that members of Congress are trading on improper information and therefore following their trade, such that the members of Congress become market movers and can't lose with their investments because they are going to be copied by other investors.
So a new report by your organization found that more than 60% of new members of Congress own stock, another 32% own investment funds. So that leaves only 7% of the freshman class who don't own anything on Wall Street. If there was a ban on stock trading, how would that work?
The way the ban on stock trading would work is that members of Congress would not be able to invest in individual stocks, that's of particular companies, because they have so much power that can direct the value of those companies as people who have oversight over these companies. They would, however, still be able to invest in those mutual funds or exchange traded funds, those investment vehicles that are focused on a large sector and a wide variety of companies, so they can be able to have investments. No one is saying that members of Congress should not be able to have savings that can grow and they can be able to retire like anyone else. However, the American people have the right to know that their members of Congress are not invested in individual companies and trying to profit over off of the confidential information that they are receiving.